Welcome to Disney This Day. I'm Egon Bonkers, and on this day in 1986, the third annual Great Race, a transcontinental road rally for antique vehicles, kicked off at Disneyland. Mickey Mouse and the California governor dropped the green flag on Main Street, U.S.A. to start a record 94 entries on their 11-day, 3,500-mile journey to New York City. The cars and trucks had to be at least 45 years old with original factory parts and no GPS. The car following precise instructions and coming closest to an ideal time won each race stage. And this happened 40 years ago today. Did you know about the Great Race? I wish I had. Sounds like a lot of fun. Anyway, have a magical day.